Good morning. How are you all? I'm going to speak in a low, calm voice this morning because I'm quite comfortable speaking in front of the camera. However, this isn't. How are you, bud?
I'm feeling good.
I'll have to bleep that one out. Right, we're making concrete to go in there. And why are we doing that?
You're making your base for your drainage and your air heat pump.
That's it. That's it. There you go.
Not just the face.
I mean, what do you think? He's better than Pete already, isn't he? Like,
No.
yeah. Okay, the sun is about to pop out of the sky. It's going to be glorious, and we kind of want to get this done before the sun comes around here. It's quite an emotional corner, isn't it?
It's the hot box.
It's the hot box.
I have wet socks.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're going to get on with it. See you at the end.
Both of them, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, buddy. Stick them on. Turn them on.
Check your water. Is that right? They're on the...
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah?
Well, it's the same size of whatever you're putting in. It's a 3 of something and 1 of something. So I make sure they're the same. Okay. So we'll probably just use the warm wheelbarrow, right? So you don't have to go crazy. Give it a couple of taps. So they're going to be dancing around each other a lot.
Yeah. Just push me.
Oh no, mate, it's alright.
There's
No, the person that has the priority in the building trade is whoever's holding the heaviest thing. Genuinely, that is it.
Yeah, no, I get it. Or coming uphill.
Yeah. And then we'll wash it off. Yeah.
You want me to load them up again?
Hey?
You want me to
Yeah. Keep on going. Yeah.
keep loading, yeah?
Yeah. Fill that little gap. Go on.
Do that and then you pull the next one.
Yeah, well, I just need to get a bit in there, and now I'm going to use the. Can you pass me the vibrating poker? Welcome to the hot box. We've got fun and games. Make sure you've got your hat on. Otherwise you're wet. Yeah. Welcome to the jungle.
Some people in the sabbatical, they go to the gym every day, get themselves, go to the Caribbean, get a suntan. Here I am. Suntan and a workout.
Yeah. And just, you know, like add a bit of sexual tension just for a certain je ne sais quoi.
We had pizza, and then we have me.
Baby Pete. Baby Pete, do 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 do. Baby Pete, do 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 do. Baby Pete, do 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 do. Baby Pete can't eat wheat, do 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 do. Can't eat wheat, do 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 do. You can't eat wheat, do 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 do. Cause he gets sad when he's sad, do 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 do. He gets mad, do 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 do. According to his girl, do 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 do.
Cheese, dude. Can't eat lactose, dude.
If I drink milk, do 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 do. I'm very sad, do 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 do. Well, I'm not sad. It's my family that's
So
sad.
is everyone in the house. Get the spray, dude.
Burn him with fire, do 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 do.
No, just light a match, dude.
No, no, no. Now give it a scrape out. Every last little bit you can get from there.
Half a speedful, you want it?
Yeah.
Where do you want it?
Just here, bud. That's it. Lovely. Thank you. Just here, bud. That's it.
That's your
Lovely.
mark.
Lovely. Okay, let's see. Woof. Careful now. Now we wait for this to dry a bit before I can finish doing all the final troweling off. We have left it down, I don't know, about 2 inches, maybe a bit less, that 1.5 inches all the way through there, because we will have like gravel or something going up to there. This is really here to actually take the downpipe, the water from the back of the house. So air source heat pump, if we buy it, is going to go on here. It's quite expensive. Still not sure about that. Now we turn our attention to the front step and everything that entails with that.
Stop! It's not ready.
One single ping.
Huh?
One single ping, virtually.
I'll tell you my Sean Connery. Sean Connery turns up to his agent's office and his agent says, right, I got a great gig for you tomorrow, Sean. You've got to turn up 10 o'clock in the morning and we've got this big meeting with clients. Sean Connery turns up, white shorts, white t-shirt, hat, tennis racket, and his agent's like, what the f*** have you done? What are you doing? And he says, yes, you told me to turn up for tennis.
Okay. Careful, son. This is the time of night where accidents happen. I don't want you tripping and falling into my arms.
My name's not Pete, come on.
Okay, you guys, what do you think of that? That's not too bad. I'm not going to keep on going with that because it's the base for something that we might not even fit. We've also thrown in some bricks in here to form a bit of a foundation for for someone's beer. So yeah, so that is going to go in there tomorrow, and once we've got that in there we can actually set the canavos, which are the drainage channels. We know exactly where we can fit them, and that pipe there you can see there, that's going to join in, and we're going to run that pipe, waste pipe, all the way at the front, and they're just going to have 90-degree elbows coming off. It's going to be very, very simple, all tight to the building. Then after we've done all that, then we can backfill everything. Gonna feel very finished here. I'm really looking forward to it. Very, very happy with today's progress, like over the moon, in fact. I hope you like this one. If you did, let us know why you did. If you didn't, let us know also, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Professional.